Welcome to Helen tutorial. Today I am going to talk about some basic sense of Helen. First of all, open Helen. If you want to create a new database, click the File button and click New. Name your database and save it. Remember that one database can only be saved on one folder. Once you created successfully, it's time to set the size and details of your database. For the type, we normally choose external LED. Then select the width and height. Now we set 128 × 32, which is the size of the front destination board of City Bus, New World First Bus and Kowloon Motor Bus. Then randomly choose a font, since it is not important for us. Choose the justification that decide to put the number on the left or right. Now choose right. Decide the ratio of the number and the destination part. Normally I will set higher. If we make the data of City Bus, we will set the height top as 18 because the height of a Chinese word that City Bus uses is 18 pixels. You can tune it by yourself if you make other data. Furthermore, masking means that the margins of the destination board. Basically there is no margin on City Bus front data. You can create more signs by clicking the upper arrow. Click the OK button when you've finished setting. Now click New button. Typing the correct destination code on the ERIC controller is important to show the signs correctly. So if you decided to save output files and use it in real life, write it carefully. Driver's message is also important to let the driver knows which signs are showing on the cockpit. Normally we will type the designation of the route here. For the blankets on the bottom, you can fill in the numbers and words that you would like to show. Then click OK, then you will get a preview picture of your signs. Of course it is not the final one. There is also an important step if you want to show Chinese words on your signs. Click Options and Configuration. And choose Chin font instead of Euro font. Double-click to edit the sign. Choose the correct font. There are a few default fonts. Chinese words can only be shown by the font ending up with CHIN. However, it is not the correct font that City Bus uses. You have to create your own fonts. On the next video, you will be teaching how to create your own fonts. Now I will do my part first. When you've finished editing, press Save and Exit. Well, time flies. I will talk about more function about Helen on the next video. Remember to watch it. Eventually please comment below if you have any questions about using Helen. Thank you for watching. See you.